Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to find out when a reel was posted on Instagram. Let's dive right in. This method works best if the person who posted the reel has also included it in their regular feed. Here's what you need to do. Open the Instagram profile of the person who posted the reel you're interested in. At the top of their profile, you'll see two tabs, Reels, and a grid icon, which looks like a square made up of smaller squares. The Reels tab displays thumbnails of their reels, but it doesn't show the posting date. To see the date, tap on the grid icon instead. This will switch the view to a grid format showing all their posts, including reels. Scroll through their posts. If the reel you're looking for is included, it will appear as a video preview alongside other photos and videos. The great news is that right below the reel preview, you'll see the date it was posted. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.